Friends and followers. I've been fiddling around with Turbotax and I have an iMac. It's a 2014 iMac running Apple's macOS Big Sur. And on that, I've had no luck getting Turbotax to work ever. From the DVD installer that I bought on Amazon. So, anyway, I figured if I could get the update for TurboTax, then I could move the files to that computer and have it reinstall. And so I thought, well, how do I get the update? So as you know, every time you run TurboTax after a few weeks, it will install an update. So check this out. I found out that the update will install to this directory here, and it definitely puts the update right here. So on macOS, it'll be your login name. So it's going to be users and then your login name and then the rest of the stuff. Go to library caches and go listen to it, TurboTax, and then this part here will appear and you'll see your files. Now, I started up TurboTax and it erased that directory because I was doing the update again. So it will definitely remove this stuff when the update's done, and it does download a DMG file. It's basically a whole product update download. So here's how I'm going to catch this file. The first thing you're going to do is bring up TurboTax, and when the upload is downloaded entirely, when it says downloaded, simply kill off TurboTax. So we're going to do a force quit on it, and we're going to kill TurboTax. That's what we're going to do. Okay, so we'll keep that there and running. And now what we'll do is we'll bring up the TurboTax app here. There's the app right there. And once it downloads, we're going to kill it. So there's TurboTax right there coming up. I double clicked it, and of course it's doing the update thing. So let the update download and then kill TurboTax off. There it is right there. Get ready to force quit it. Okay, so highlight it right there. Let the update install like that. Get ready to kill it, and when it decompresses it, kill it. This is pretty cool. And I'm sure they'll put a patch in so you can't, okay, kill it, boom, done, force it, quit. Okay, we've killed TurboTax, and now watch what happens magically. This directory will be here again. Ta-da! So now we see there's a usable DMG file in here, I think. What's in here? Okay, well, yeah, it puts it in here, so go into here. And go into there. Anyway, this is the update, and I guess they've kind of versioned it, so you'll eventually find a DMG file, I think. Oh, let me see. Of course, you have to, because it's all Windows-based stuff, they put spaces in their file names, which is sickening, so you have to put it in quotes. There it is. And now there's the file. So I'm thinking that I can copy this file to my sick Mac that won't let the TurboTax install, and I'll put this update file in, which you can't download from into it directly, of course, because you're going to pay for it or something. I don't even know what the capability of this file is, but I'm going to copy this one to my other Mac and install it and see if that will fix my sick install of TurboTax. So that's how to extract the update on Mac OS. And you should probably copy this file and hide it somewhere, because I'm sure it'll try and delete it. And it's exactly the same size as it advertises, about 225 megabytes. And so you can just copy this whole thing off, copy it off to a safe place, and that's it. You got it to go. So I could rename it so we can't find it and say like save dot this name here. Of course, I want to put it somewhere. Let's see. I'll put it in my home directory, users, jfall, save. I could say it, call it save dot TurboTax, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And anyway, you want to rename this thing to the DMG and then run it and see if that will install and fix your broken Turbotax. So that's my little gift to you. I hope you like it, and I hope it makes your day better with Turbotax. As tax day is getting close by here, so I've saved this now DMG file, and I will try and run this on my other computer that I really want to run Turbotax on. I don't like running it on my laptop. I like running it on my iMac. So there's the file right there. So you would make that file back. Okay, I'm root right now. Note that I'm root. So I had to do an su to root on this thing, right? Sudo su to root. I would want to make that file my own name. So I'm going to do a jfile staff. So I'm going to make this file that I own it in my private directory, and root doesn't own it. So let's change the permissions on this thing here. Whoops. It doesn't like me calling it staff. CHMO, change owner, not mod. How can I do that? Okay, now if you do an ls-l, you'll see that I own this file with my private account, not root. So then I could run this file by renaming it back to DMG. So I could rename this back to DMG or copy it to DMG, and then it would run and install the update. So that's my little gift to you. I hope you like it, and have a great day.